Do you have boring kitchen cabinets? I mean, they're awesome, but do they look like that? Like along the top specifically? Like, I'm bald up top, but these are just plain up top. This video is about how to pimp out your kitchen, make it look like that. Sorry about that. I got a bit distracted and I don't even know how to turn this off. There we go. Sorry about that. Whew, that was rough. Sorry. Super awesome. I'm such a nerd. Got these off of Amazon. I got them on the rest of the house here. I have yet to put in that microwave. There's another video coming. It's gonna sit right there. Okay, this is what the cabinets look like currently with the lights installed. They're just turned off. So when I turn them on, and this is daytime, I've got the kitchen blinds closed here. Back window thing doesn't really have a curtain, so there's that. And here's with the lights on. So it looks pretty cool, I think. The other thing you can do is have the regular lights on, and it's still quite visible. It's just a nice little bit of flair to your kitchen or whatever, wherever you want to put them. Anyways, check out the video, share, subscribe, like, comment. Thing will do a million colors. What color do you like? Throw it in the comments. Thanks for watching. All these LEDs under the cabinets and stuff have been there a while, but those up top are awesome. Here's how you do it. Okay, so I removed all the cabinets clearly because I needed to put in the microwave. But in the meantime, see that little gap up there? This video is about the magic to go in there. I've got the lights under the cabinets. And this light string I want to put up there to fill that gap. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so there is a wire fish pole, which if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. But that's what it's gonna look like. And I don't want to take that cabinet off because it's a pain in the butt. So the solution is this. Now I'm just gonna tape these LEDs to this piece of wood and slide it along the back there to hold the LEDs. And it's a shiny, glossy paint, so it will reflect more light onto the ceiling. Then I'll do it on the cabinet that's over the microwave, this 18-inch cabinet, and then over the fridge cabinet. It'll be awesome. Okay, so here's the piece of wood that's gonna hold these. So I've taped, they've got back sticky tape right there. I'm gonna turn this light off. And then you just take this pole, and you slide it, oops, here, let me get a better view of it. You just slide it in like this along your cabinet. So I've cut it to length there. Now I can move it back and forth and see the difference in the light. It's super harsh like that and kind of uneven. So if I move it back just a little bit, it actually looks pretty awesome. So that's gonna be the look along the upper cabinets. And if anyone has a suggestion on a over the sink kind of light, let me know what I should get. Okay, here's a little bit of progress. It's getting there. Total pain in the butt. You notice my eggshells? That's fertilizer. Here's some burger buns. And there's the Bose thing that I fixed. You ought to watch that video if you haven't seen it. Okay, to get these to stay in place, here's the trick. take a wad of tape. Move your little stick where you want it to get the right light. You wedge the tape in there, and you push the stick against the tape, and it forms a nice bond. Perfect. All right, so those cabinets all went in all kinds of fun like. This one is super weird. So the way we built the cabinets, I'll show you once they're installed. But this, we need to build something to hold it about an inch from the gap there so that we get the proper light reveal up top. So here's what I did. I've got this little contraption that I fashioned out of some old extra wood. And I'm going to put the lights on this with the sticky tape along that side and that side, and the white is reflective. So I'll mount that there. The other cool thing is it's got that 3/16 difference. So that'll maintain the proper gap along the top. And it'll be back there far enough that you won't see it. It'll just be a little trough of light. Super bad to the bone. Okay, so here is how we're working around this. This piece of tape's just temporary, but that blue tape is holding that up until I get the cabinet in place. And then my little homemade doohickey will hold the rest. But that's the reveal. There's the above fridge cabinet right there. And then the doohickey will have the lights wrap around the fridge. Super cool. I highly recommend it. I think this is on Amazon for 20 to 30 bucks. Okay, there's the floating island. I have yet to put the microwave in, of course. Finishing the face by the fridge, another piece there. And yeah, that one doesn't have any LEDs, but there's the top. Looks kind of cool. Would have been better if I had enough to put a piece right there, but I don't. Oh well. That's how you make your kitchen all kinds of fancy with some $30 LED strips off of Amazon. Kind of fun. Oh, and on my other telephone, I have this app. It'll play music, but I don't want it to play music right now. So you can change the color as you're doing stuff. It'll do pulsating rainbows and like whatever. You can also select a color that way. I guess I should aim it up so you can see. Kind of fun. I usually leave it right there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. Near infinite colors. I don't know if that will show it very well, but just touch anywhere and choose whatever color you want. Or there's the presets. I like that one.